Hello there everyone, welcome to Edupedia World 9th grade Computer Applications video lecture series. I'm Upeka Vendibona and today we are going to learn basics of modem. If you are an internet user, you should know what is a modem. Modem is a hardware device that connects a computer or router to a broadband network. It allows a computer to send and receive information over telephone lines by converting digital data into an analog signal used on phone lines. If you want a more general definition, you can say modem is a network hardware device that modulates one or more carrier wave signals to encode digital information for transmission and demodulate signal to decode the transmitted information. So now, can you guess how this word modem was originated? The word modem is originated by combining the terms modulator and demodulator. That's what the modem does, modulating and demodulating. The goal of the modem is to produce a signal that can be transmitted easily and decode to reproduce the original digital data. Modems can be used with any means of transmitting analog signal, from light-emitting diodes to radio. A common type of modem is one that turns the digital data of a computer into modulated electrical signal for transmission over telephone lines and demodulate by another modem at the receiver side to recover the digital data. The image displayed in here is a such kind of a modem. Modems are referred to as an asynchronous device, meaning that the device transmits data in an intermittent stream of small packets. Once received, the receiving system then takes the data in the packets and reassembles it into a form the computer can use. The above chart represents how an asynchronous transmission would be transmitted over a phone line. In asynchronous communication, 1 byte, that means 8 bits, is transferred within one packet, which is equivalent to 1 character. However, for the computer to receive this information, each packet must contain a start and a stop bit. Therefore, the computer packet would be 10 bits. In the above chart is a transmission of the word hi, which is equivalent to 2 bytes. There are 3 types of modems in the consumer market: onboard modems, internal modems, and external modems. Onboard modem means modem built onto the computer motherboard. These modems cannot be removed but can be disabled. Internal modems should be connected to PCI slot if it is a new desktop computer, or should be connected into a ISA slot if it is an older computer. These type of modems are connected inside of the computer. The third type, external modems, comes as a box and need to be connected to the computer externally, usually through the serial port or through USB. Through an illustration, let's see how we should connect a modem into a computer if it is an external modem. When you are getting internet through a phone line, you need another device called splitter. Splitter is a device that divides a telephone signal into 2 or more signals, each carrying a selected frequency range. And also, it can reassemble signals from multiple signal sources into a single signal. Users getting connected to the internet with ADSL service, which means asymmetric digital subscriber line, should install this splitter in between the modem and the telephone service. So for the ADSL, what this splitter does is, it divides the incoming signal into low frequencies to send the voice, which means continue getting the telephone service, and high frequencies for data to send for the computer through the modem. When talking about the modem speed for send data and receive data, it measured with BPS, bits per second, or kbps, kilobits per second. But keep in mind, the speed it measures depends on the line quality that the phone communicates over and how many call locations it must use. So this is the end of the basics of modem lecture as well as the second section, the internet. From the next episode, we are moving into the third section, computing and ethics, and with the lesson, intellectual property rights. So here comes the end. Thank you for watching and see you. This video brought to you by EdupediaWorld.com. Watch more from our website.